everyone. I'm Anna Muzikina, Google Developer Group Alien Organizer, Google Developer Group New Star Organizer. Also, I'm founder and CEO of Proofa. And I'm really excited to kick off this hackathon together with you. I like hackathons and I hope you like hackathons as well. And today I want to talk about one idea. Artificial intelligence not just changing what we build, is changing how we work, how we collaborate, and who gets to participate in building technology. And at another side, the theme of International Women Day 2026 is breaking the patterns. It's very important and very interesting topic. Breaking the patterns for me means we stop accepting systems, workflows, and assumptions just because they're always excited. For me, it means questioning how we work, who gets to contribute, and what we consider normal in tech. And today, with artificial intelligence, we actually have the tools to do all that. A lot of the systems we use today in engineering, in teams, in companies, were designed for a completely different world. A world where information was harder to access, development was slower, expertise was tightly gate kept, but we are still working inside those same patterns today. This creates a pattern where only certain people can move fast. Others are blocked by lack of access or confidence, and a lot of times is wasted on repetitive or unclear work. And this is not just inefficient, it's also exclusionary, because when systems are hard to navigate, the people who already know them win, only the winners. AI is not just a chatbot anymore, and now everyone familiar and know this. We are moving from conversational AI to agentic workflows. And think about the pattern of a typical developer's day. Context switching, looking for documentation, manually auditing code. With those tools like Gemini CLI, Agentic Development Kit, other more, you are no longer just an operator. You are an architect of autonomous systems. You can now build agents that reason across multiple files, conduct security audits in the terminal, automate complex pipelines that used to take weeks to configure. And breaking those patterns means using this leverage to act as a full-scale engineering team, even if you are a solo developer or a small team. Now you can have team members as agents, agentic systems. We often talk about diversity as representation, and who is in the room. But just as important is who can actually contribute meaningfully. Because if only the most experienced or confident people can move fast, then the system is still limited participation. So diversity is not only a people problem, it's a systems design problem. But there's an important risk here, as I noticed. AI doesn't automatically fix systems. If we use it without thinking, we can scale bias, automate poor decision, create dependency instead of environment. So if we are not intentional, we don't break the pattern, we scale it. So the question becomes, what should we actually build instead? Better systems are easier to understand, easier to use, easier to contribute to. And maybe the goal is not just to move faster. Maybe the goal is to help more people move at all. And I'm handing over the stage to the technical experts soon. But before I do, I want to leave you with a challenge for the rest of this hackathon. When you move to the ideation lab later today, at the end of the day, together with Sam, don't just look for cool tech ideas. Look for a pattern that is genuinely broken. Think about the friction you faced, the documentation that's impossible to read, the biased feedback, or the repetitive tasks that kill your creativity. Use tools such as Gemini, agentic workflow, other to build a fix for that your needs. The most powerful tools you will build this weekend aren't just faster apps. They are the ones that maybe open doors for others and rewrite the rules or productivity. I can't wait to see which patterns you choose to break today. So let's make this weekend count. And I don't want to just talk about breaking patterns. I'm actively working on it. And my current project proof is exactly where we built on the belief that while AI can automate tasks, the human spark talent must be protected. We are at the stage where your technical expertise is available, and if you have time or wish, I will be happy to invite you to try the platform and tell us what works and what doesn't. Also, for those of you looking to dive deeper into these technologies, we have internship opportunities, and if you want to build something that matters, feel free to talk to me. The best way to change a system is to connect with people who aren't afraid to rethink it. Feel free to scan QR code. It's my LinkedIn or find me in LinkedIn. Everywhere I'm using always Anna Muzikina. So everywhere you can find me with my true name and surname. And thank you for your time. And now let's start building. And good luck for everyone. And our next speaker, Sausen Chabrina, she will start this work with first workshop if Sausen already joined.
Already here.
Yeah, I know. Hi.
Oh,
Here.
it's great. It's great. So I can stop sharing my